Hello everyone, I'm Imposter Tip. I'm back again. Today I will practice File Explorer 3. Last day I practiced File Explorer 3, sorry 2. So for after that I started working on this one, but it got in a very late in the night, so I have had to go to office, so that's why I stopped working on that problem. I was almost end of that challenge, so now I will finish that one. So actually there is something we have to do for that. We have previously, just give you a bit of context so that you can get about that. So previously we have like nested architecture to render or show a file list. Let's say we have this nested list, uh, and we want to see this bar.txt file. Then we have to render the downloads, then that also this misc one. So we have to render the full block to show it that one. So without that it is not possible. So let's say we have something that very nested, like this one is 1 2 3 level of nested, that we have something 10 level of nested, and also there are lots of things like that. So so it is kind of not optimized to show it like. So if we have something called a flat architecture, and we know that how much padding we can give to that element so that it looks like it's under. But when we have a flat list, then we can, if we want to show it this, then we can easily show that file without rendering that parents of parents. So this is very easy. Then so that is the problem for that uh, to solve for us. So to make it flat, I was getting that making a helper function called get a file list function. There I will get a array of file data, and if there is nothing, then we set a parent and label. So uh, I need the parent some. I thought that for some cases we need that name, yeah, of the parent, so we can determine. Let's say we have a word dog, and we are nested, so we can that easily show a hopper that is belong to that file, or it would be better or helpful for that one. So right now my nested thing is almost done. So when we have a nested list, then we are doing that recursive call to get that one again, again to that traversing one. So for now on it is almost correct. Last day there was a problem regarding that for that sorting one. So in my current list, if I show you the console, then we are getting that the folder wise thing, like you can say documents, then word, and PowerPoint, PPT, then downloads named misc. So that is kind of correct, but is it sorted? um, Maybe I was calling it in a different location. Okay, yeah, so I was calling in the different location, that way is sorted. But uh, it is only work for one cases. So if you look at this misc foo and bar.tsp, that is not sorted, so that is the problem. So we have to show that file and folder in alphabetical order, and also folder will be in the top position always, then that thing. So now we have to move these two things to our helper function. Whenever we are getting this one, then uh, we have to render that one. Okay, so that will not be a file list, that will be a data, and then file item, and also this one will be data. So there is some of the problem, we can use a one reducer to get it in a one go. So let's okay, then we have to do it in items. So let's see if I get that, then it is sorted properly. Unnamed txt, is it? Yep. So misc is top, and then so it is totally sorted. For now we will not do anything here. We will get just a file list, uh, file list here, and we will render it file list. Okay, that is thing, and we will call it here for now, const files equal to get file flat file list with the data. So then we will pass the files here. Oh, sorry, files. So now we are getting that flat line, flat list. So we have to modify our components. So let's do it. So then we can make it in a padded way, so that we got the structure, and also we have to. Okay, another thing I mentioned, that we need the parent. Why we need the parent? So for making it collapsible and expandable feature, to if we want to give that, then we have to add those. We need those information to it. So we also added like a number of children for that, also the level for that, giving the padding. So um, uh, our flat list is complete. So let's make it workable. Hmm, okay, so we will not use UL here. Okay, um, do we so we are not using that nested architecture, still we will use that list item, so that we will have it in a one go. So previously we are calling that recursively, so now we will not call that it or recursively. So we don't have that concept at all now. So that is unnecessary. So we don't have children, but in the file we have other things. What is the type of file? Still it says that, okay, it will not going to be file data anymore. So also this type will be different. So I need to know, it's going to be uh, flat file data. So it is not typically correct. So this, okay, we have to export that. we didn't export it, so it will be this flat file data here. So then now this one also going to be flat file data, so we will not get that thing if it is a directory if that has children. So let's id level name is number of child, and we can say parent. I don't know we need the parent or not, so this label is not required for now. Actually we need those for um, for accessibility purpose. If you remember last day we did that one, so here we don't need okay. So if a directory this number of child is greater than 0, then it is a directory. So okay, so boolean number of child, and so this is the thing. So if number of child is there, and also so it will get a number now, so it is always boolean. Okay, so if it is a directory, then it will be a name, so name. So this is the thing, but now the challenge is how to it. Wow. Oh no, I did something wrong here. We need the label. Why we need the label here? Actually let's remove it for now. We'll look at it later. I think we don't need the label at all. Oh yes, we have the label with our file, so that is not required at all here, so we have to remove it for now. Okay, so now we have to add the padding, so let's add a style object here to make it padding. Okay, padding level times 3 dollar sign. Okay, that's that. So we will add pixel, not 3, it will be 8. Only the padding right should be right, so no. Yeah, it is not moving at all, so let's look at it using that inspect. So padding right or left? Sorry, it should be left. I mixed it. Okay, so it's good. I think 8 is less, so it should 12. 12 is uh, 12, not 12, 14 is good enough, so it's saying okay. So now it is good. Okay, but we need to hide and toggle. Hmm. Now the challenge is there. So I didn't consider it. Uh, uh, okay, that's easy. I can easily collapse it. Uh, but it is going to work or not, I am not sure at all. So we need to use that padding parent here to do it. So uh, how do I know? Actually, this this will have that exact entry. If I click on a directory, how it will know that their children is going to mm, so in the file list object we will passing the file, but we are sending this directory, not sending this information. So how can I do it in a manner that we can click on a button, then it will say that um, that's interesting here. Okay. I think I can resume this timer. So let's say we are starting it in 20. Okay, okay. One task is completed, but how can we do it? It's kind of different for this purpose here. So we know that it's a parent. Can we use anything that will help us to remove? Okay. Okay, okay. Let's copy it. Let's say, uh, mm, I want to know how we rendered the children previously. Okay. Cancel. Oh, they are in a both in a one file. Oh, oh, so file list. Okay, we are calling it again. Hmm. So let's say I get the directory here. Interesting. I need to use the parent. So I need to have one object there. We will get everything in one place. That all the parent is collapsible. So when we are setting it here, so let's say const a state. I don't know is this a good thing or not, but I want to make sure it is working. So then I will look for a look for a different solution. And then okay, the my approach is going to be like that. Collapsible parent or collapsed parent, and then set collapsed parent. Okay, so then it will have be a array, empty array by default, and whenever we are doing this one and every time we are rendering it, so we will add that parent here. Okay, if file dot number of child is there, and then okay, and then file dot number of child is greater than 0, then we know it is so this this spelling is wrong, so forget it. Set follows parent brave dot push. Why I'm doing this? Okay. This is very naive. Collapse parent and file dot parent. String. This is very naive solution. Wow. Too many re-renders. Why? Does this making anything? So okay. Was it required to have it here? Not at all. We need it here, but we will not set it here. So very hard for me to handle this one. Ding, 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 ding. Let's look at it now. Can I use a different structure? Like okay, let's say I am using a set. It will be very easy to remove and adding. Let's say while we are rendering it, we are passing this thing to this file explorer. If it is in directory, then we'll set C double collapsed parent. Okay, the spelling mistakes, so I am getting that here. So we need to pass it here. So let's say collapse parent, copy the type. This is not good to sending that state property directly. Set collapse parent and that collapse. directory is directory set class parent, then the name. Press will be returning at that div, and then again, why this is not rendering? No idea. The browser got crashed or something. It's okay. Got it. It's made something that rendering the full list again. So this is not good to make it this thing from control it from here actually, because it will render the every file, even if we are not we don't need this kind of information there. So that is really unnecessary to have it here. So need to think about different approach uh, for others. So I think we need to think about it or read it differently. mm, okay. um that's make me think. So we don't know that we have this download or document is a totally individual list. I don't know that they are my uh, they are the documents children. So I knew it from there, but I can't share or share I can share it. I can share it. So what about this? What about this? What about this? Okay, let's not close it yet. So just for this two. So what if we have another way to render it? If is directory Okay, I got something that we will have uh, two different component for it. So we will have is directory, then we will render folder directory dash, otherwise it will render file. Got it? So const are equal to, and here will be return dash, and then we will have const file will be another one that will render a file directly, return that li name of the file. So here we will have name of the file, that will be string, then it will have name. So for now let's make it like this. So let's close it. So now name equal to name. So this is good. So now we will get something called name. It is directory, we know it, so we don't need to have it here. We don't need to have it here and here to join at all. So we will get one thing that is called expanded or not. So we will have called it expanded if it is name string expanded, it will be boolean. So what is this? Wow, I don't know. Pointed. Okay, something I removed entirely. So let's say name equal to name, and then expanded, we'll have expanded, and label we should pass label should pass label should be label. Okay, so here we have to have that label to make it more forward and level. Okay, so level. In there we should have is style. Padding left should be dollar sign pixel width level times 14. So directory also need this one as well. So this is creating a duplicate doing things. Okay, so now we have it expanded. No, there is also a flaw. So let's say we have documents. No. Visible. If it is visible, then we should do this one, right? Not the name, should be the parent. Parent is visible should be not here. It should be here, boolean. Okay, if it is visible and then okay. Okay, now let's try it. Set of controls. It should okay, there is some flaw, but new set with the name. Mm-mm. Okay, something. Let's see, is it changing or not? Okay, the spelling mistake here as well. Let's click it. Set it. Wow. Wow. Set. It is changing that. Why then it is not rendering? Does it really going to render? I'm, I'm thinking I'm making another mistake here as well. This is not going to bind for the files, so file never gonna be visible again. Okay. Okay, it is wrong from my side. It should be in the another level of top level, another tab level. It shouldn't be there. It shouldn't be there. It should be here. 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 But it is creating some of the problem. regarding the hmm, yep, it is working. Then we don't need two different thing. Just need one. Okay, so I need to update this handler here. And also we need that is visible here as well. Is visible boolean is visible uh, is visible then is otherwise then zero. Wait. So root will always be visible. Root again. Unexpected token accept 124. No. This is not rendering anything. Okay. If I remove this one and I remove to null, let's say, is it going to root. Is it root? Let's say it is root. Ah, it's my mistake. Why I forgot to add like this way? Okay, so it will render, but for this case, um, rev dot has that name. For now I'm returning that rev. If that is here, then rev dot delete name, otherwise else rev dot add the name and actually I always forget about it that equal to name set 5 for this a dot how can I get set to array? To array. Oh, okay. This is the thing I am getting new set with that brief. So wow, root instantly removing that. So it says while it is stream false. So this is like it. If okay, okay, okay. then it is okay. Getting that opener is changing, so it is directly expanded. Yes, expanded. Wow, this is quite expanded false. Okay, that's very good. Wow. Why that is calling twice? Mm, mm, mm. Wow. Mm, I think there is the problem. Uh, New set with div. Okay. Continue set equal new set. If that has name, then new set delete the name. Else new set dot add that name. I'm guessing it is because of because of the reference. Yeah, it was the reference problem. So I was previously modifying it using the so basically my say is here, whatever it is, I complete the task. So my approach and thing is not good. So I know these two can be merged together, so they are almost handling the same thing. So we can do it, if it is directory or not. Then we can easily pass that on and have it in one single go. So instead of making two different files or folders, so basically it is working. So I can, wow, wow. So that you can see there is a problem, so it's only removing that one. So okay, that is not a good solution. So for now I don't want to spend more time on it, so I'll go and watch, read the solution. Mm, so till then, bye from Imposter. See you in the next video.